Today I will present the Tapo p110 device with which we measure electricity consumption, and with which we can turn on and off devices that are connected to it. There is a button on the side that you can use to manually turn the connected device on and off. The device is ready to connect. Turn on GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, and download the Tapo application. Click on the plus icon and add device, then find the device in the list. For some reason, connecting via Bluetooth didn't work, but connecting via Wi-Fi worked without any problems. Select the Wi-Fi network to which the Tapo device will connect and enter the password for that Wi-Fi. Add device name. It is good to immediately upgrade the firmware. You can set the time for automatic firmware update. Power button on a mobile phone turns the device on and off. On schedule you can set when device is on or off. Timer is a mode where you can set the time after which the device will turn on or off. In away mode, device randomly turn on or off to make it seem like someone is home. In this mode, device turn off light or appliances for good night's sleep. In Share Device, you can easily share your device with other people. In Settings you can change device icon, name, location, LED status. In default state, you can choose state it was when it was connected to a power source. Auto off timer will automatically turn off device after you set time. In power protection, device will be powered off when its power exceeds the set threshold. Charge guard stop power output once the connected device is estimated to be fully charged. In groups you can add devices to a group and control them simultaneously. Perform actions automatically based on conditions in Smart Action menu. At the bottom you have information about the device and the firmware upgrade. If we click on Device, on the home screen we have Runtime, Energy Usage and Current Power for today. In Show More menu, we have a more detailed view of energy consumption. Energy consumption diagram for the past 24 hours. And for the past 7 days. And data for the entire month. In Show More menu we have a more detailed view of energy consumption for day, month and year. There is also an overview of energy consumption via the calendar. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.